Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a profile picture on your GitHub. So once you create a new GitHub account, guys, you'll look to the upper right and you'll notice that there's no picture, right? It's pretty much blank right there. So to add a profile picture there in the GitHub, then you just need to go ahead and click that profile picture there, the profile section in the upper right, and just simply click on profile. Now, once you're in profile, you will see that you have the picture right here, and you'll also see edit profile. Don't click on edit profile, just simply click on the picture, and that's going to take you over to the public profile. And here you'll be able to see that you can fill in details here about your public profile and so forth. Right now, on the right hand side, just simply click the pencil icon to edit it, and then you'll have the option to upload a photo. So you click on that and just find a picture of yourself or whatever you want to put there. I'm going to find something that I can use. Let's say I want to use this. I'm going to click on that, and you will see that it quickly pulls it up, and I can go ahead and set this picture right here, and that's it. So you add the picture right there, and that's all that you really have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple. You don't need to click and save. It's automatically done, and that's pretty much it, guys. All there is to it. Nothing more to do. That's it. And we'll realize on the upper right hand side that have profile picture. If I click back on this little kitty on the left hand side, that GitHub, I don't know if it's a cat or what, but if you click on it on the left side there on the upper left, you see it takes you back to this home dashboard here, and you can see that the picture is there as well. So that's it. That's really it, guys. Very easy and very simple.